No one recognised the 3, 4, 5 and 5, 12, 13 triangles. Pause the video and have a go at example 4. If the three sides of a right-angled triangle are whole numbers, then the triangle is said to form a Pythagorean triple. Common Pythagorean triples are 3, 4, 5 and 5, 12, 13. Not only can the length 3, 4 and 5 form a right-angled triangle, but also any multiple of 3, 4 and 5 will also form a right-angled triangle. For example, 6, 8, 10. Or we could multiply them by 3 and we would get 9, 12 and 15. The list would go on. You could do 30, 40, 50, 300, 400, 500, 60, 80, 100. Example 4. Using your knowledge of Pythagorean triples, find DF. So we're going to try and find the hypotenuse. The length, we've got 15 and we've got 36. So 15 is one of the sides and 36 is the other. I can spot there a factor of 3. If I divide 15 by 3, I get 5. And if I divide 36 by 3, I get 12. There is a Pythagorean triple 5, 12, and the hypotenuse is 13. So 5, 12, and 13. So these two sides are 3 times bigger. So if I make 13 the hypotenuse 3 times bigger, I would get 39. And that is the answer. If we scale up 5, 12, 13, times it by 3, 5 3s are 15, 12 3s are 36, so 13 3s must be 39. And you could check your answer by, if you didn't trust it, you could do 39 squared. Does that equal 15 squared plus 36 squared?